Stop wasting your money to buy expensive data the old way. There is a hidden app that most people don't even know about and can give you crazy cheap data from Airtel, Glo and 9mobile. This is legit and it is fast. In this video, I'm revealing to you this hidden app that most people don't know about that can help you to save cost to buy data from any network that you are using, and how to use this app to get cheap data, and some secret that I can use to get cheap data from this app that can give you up to 50%. If you are tired of running out of data too quickly or tired of spending high income to buy data to stay online, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you are going to stop buying data at a very high cost rate. If this is the type of video that I like to watch, do want to like this video and also drop your comment in the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel I teach you different methods that you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do want to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notifications. So let's dive into the video. The app that you can use to get data is very cheap from Airtel, Glo and 9mobile. This is how the interface look like once you log in. I'm going to tell you the name of this app at the end of this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. So once you log in, then you choose your network. So currently I can see that I've selected Airtel. So the first section that I can use to get data for Airtel is, you come to this recommend data offer. You can see the current one that I'm currently having now. They are giving me 50% discount, which means with 250 I can get 1 GB to data. This data will be valid for 1 day. Now before you can be able to get access to this data, there is a particular time that they normally give this offer. So you can see this particular time here. This is the time that you can use to get access to it, 19:30. This is about 7:30. That's when you can be able to get access to this data offer. So they normally give offer in different times. So you can see this is another one. So once you get to that time, make sure you log in on time to claim the data offer. Now there are other options that can also use to get data. If you scroll down, you can see data plan. You can see different options that can also use to get cheap data with these data plans. Now the first one here is the hot plan. Now for the hot plan, the one that I mostly use is this option here. With 15 I can be able to get 250 MB. Now if you come here, you can also do a 3-month plan. So you can see a different option that is available in this section. The first one with 50,000 I can get 300 GB to data. It will last you for 90 days, 3 months. The second option with 60,000 I can be able to get 350 GB to data. It will last you for 120 days, that is 4 months. Then the other option with 100,000 I can get 650 GB to data. It will last you for 365 days, that is 1 year. So you can use this option to do a data that will last you for a longer period of time. Now so let's say we want to go for Glo. Then you click on this place, then you select Glo. So let's see the data option that we can get for Glo. And the first option that I can also use to get data if you're also using Glo is this recommended data offer. If you check this recommend data offer, you will see different options that's available in this section. Now the first one that I can see here is with 250 you can get 1.8 GB to data. This data will last you for 14 days. So which means if you are going for this option, 1 GB to data is less than 200 naira. So this is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheap price. If you are also going for this one option, there is a time that you can use to get access to this data offer. So you can also see the time here, 19:30, which is about 7:30. Now if you scroll to this section, you also see other offer that are available that you can also use to get cheap data. Now this other one with 900 I can get 3.9 GB to data. It will last you for 30 days. Other option that I can also use to get data with Glo on this app is, if you scroll down onto data plan, you will see other options. So you have the hot plan. If you check the hot plan, you also see some option that I can also use to get data with the hot plan. The first option here with 217 I can get 1 GB to data. If you come to always plan, the first option that I mostly go for, I mostly make use of these two, this one and this one. Now the first one here with 5,000 I can get 30 GB to data. If you are going for this option, 1 GB to data is less than 200 naira. Then this other second one with 7,000 I can get 45 GB to data. If you are going for this option, 1 GB of data is less than 200 naira also. Another option that I also use, you come to mega. The mega is for heavy data user. So if you're a heavy data user, you can use this mega option to get data at the very cheaper from Glo. So you have the 30 days data plan, you have 60-day data plan, that is 2 months, you have 90-day data plan, you have 365 days data plan. So you can choose any of the option that you want to go for and do your data plan in this session. Another section is the special. If you come to this special, now one of the options that I use in this special is this option with 500 I can get 2 GB of data. So if you are going for this option, which means 1 GB of data is just 250. Another option I mostly use is you come to hourly. You want to do a data plan that will last for 1 hour, 2 hours, you can use the hourly data bundles. So you have different options. The first option here with 200 I can get 500 MB to last. This data will last you for 1 hour. Then the second option with 300 I can get 1 GB of data to last. This data will last for 2 hours. So if you want to do a data plan that will last for 1 hour, 2 hours, you can use this option. Now another option that I mostly use is the weekend plan. So if you want to do a data plan that you can use for your weekend, you can make use of the weekend plan. The first option with 500 I can get 2.5 GB of data. If you are going for this option, which means 1 GB of data is 200 naira, and data will last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Then the last option with 200 I can get 875 MB. Data will last you for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. So I mostly go for this option. This is the one that I mostly go for the weekend plan. So these are the options that I use to get data on Glo. So let's proceed to 9mobile. If you click here, then you select 9mobile. If you select 9mobile, the first option that you also see is the recommend data offer. So on the recommend data offer, the first option you can see here with 750 can get 7 GB of data. This data will last you for 7 days. If you are going for this option, which means 1 GB of data is less than 150 if you are going for this option. There are other options that I can also use to get data if you scroll down to the data plan. Another good option here that I can also use is this option with 500 I can get 2 GB of data. This data will last you for 3 days. So there you have it. With this app you can be able to get data at a very cheaper rate that I can use for Airtel, Glo and 9mobile, and this will help to save cost in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and so drop a comment in the comment section. If you're yet to subscribe to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. So I will see you in my next video.